AirDrop is fast and easy for file transfers, but errors like "could not save item" can be frustrating. In this video, we'll show you 7 quick fixes to solve it. Let's get started. Part 1. Why is AirDrop saying failed to save item? Unsupported file type, insufficient storage. Restart AirDrop, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Adjust AirDrop permissions. Check Photos or Files app. Update the OS. Ensure device compatibility. Part 2. How to fix AirDrop failed to save item. 8 solutions. Fix 1. Keep the iPhone screen awake during AirDrop transfer. Fix 2. Check and adjust AirDrop settings. Fix 3. Restart your device. Fix 4. Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Fix 5. Turn off personal hotspot. Fix 6. Check your iPhone storage. Fix 7. Update iOS. Fix 8. Reset network settings. Part 3. Alternative to AirDrop to transfer files from iPhone to iPhone. If you're hesitant to use AirDrop because of errors like AirDrop cannot save the item, a great option is to use a professional file transfer tool. One highly recommended option is Mobikin Transfer for mobile. Here is a simple guide to transfer data from one iPhone to another using Transfer for mobile. Connect iPhones, launch Transfer for mobile, and connect both iPhones via USB. The software detects them automatically. Select files, ensure the source and destination are correct. Use Flip if needed. Choose the file types to transfer. Start transfer. Click Start Copy, and keep devices connected until done.